See, we're kind of zoom here without the hands. This old man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on my door. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give your dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Da-da-da-da-dum. Bum, 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 bum.
Yeah, it's
okay. That's what's amazing to me is the joint attention.
That's fun.
He looks back at you.
Yeah.
You know? That's just amazing. This old man, he played 5. He played knick-knack on my hide. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give your dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Da-da-da-dum.
What are you doing? Oh, Ruby. All right, let's see what we got here. Very good.
Simon and his grandfather. Reading the paper. First paper experience.
Okay. First paper experience. You like this?
Yeah.
Editorials.
What do you think, buddy? It's the newspaper.
Yeah, we're reading the editorials. Okay. Upsy doodles. Go. Oh, all right. All right. Very good. Sounds more orange. Anyway, all right. Turn the page, huh? What? What are we doing? What are we doing? Hey? What are we doing? Hmm? Okay. What do we got there? We got a little street. Look at your finger. You're doing the teething.
Hey, buddy boo.
It's
Hi.
good. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
You saying hi, Papa?
Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Yeah, hi, Mommy. Yeah. Right.
You love Papa, huh?
Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, yes. And I love you too. Yeah. Come here. What are you doing here? All right, go ahead.